Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a brief look at the VeloChampion MLT10 Multi Tool. Here we go. So the VeloChampion is a 10-in-1 hex wrench set, as you can see. This one is steel alloy, anodized, blue and silver. It's got the hex wrenches on this side, starting with the 2mm, 2.5mm. It's got a 3mm, 4mm, a 5mm over on this side, 5mm. This is the 6mm. And then this little attachment gives you the 8mm. It also has the Phillips screwdriver. It's got the flathead screwdriver. And it's got the T25 Torex bit there as well. So that's the tools that come in this multi-tool. Real nice and compact, ergonomic, I guess you'd say, very ergonomic, fits in the palm very easily. So if you had to flip something out and use it, you could do that, fairly easily, and still having a good grip on it, good grip on the tool there. The thing I like about it is it's flat. It folds up nice and flat like that. It's not big and bulky like some of them are. The weight on this is 70 grams. It's 75 millimeters long. It's 38 millimeters across, and it is 15 millimeters thick. So that kind of gives you your measurements for if you need to stuff it in a little bag behind your seat or behind your saddle or whatever. Real quality tool. I'm real happy with it. So there you go. Just a little up close look at the VeloChampion there. Very nice multi-tool. Pick it up for probably less than 20 bucks, I think. That's what they're going for. Real nice, real good quality. Real impressed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.